Carl, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
Excited. Last week pa, si Carl, nagchat-chat na pinapaalala yung kasal niya. Kagabi, nagchat ulit. Baka daw makalimutan ko yung kasal niya. Tapos kanina, pagdating ko dito, actually, sabi ko kagabi, matulog ka ng maaga. Huwag mo nang intindihin lahat yan. Sabi niya kanina, konti lang daw yung tulog niya. Excited talaga.
Catherine, hindi mo lang alam kung gaano ako ka-excited bumuo ng pamilya kapiling ka. Sobrang saya ko ngayong araw dahil isa ka sa kakaunti kong pangarap na gusto kong makuha.
Iyak din ako, huwag ka umiyak.
Dearest Mommy and Daddy, through this letter, I want to say that you two are very precious to me. Siguro hindi ko naman madala sabihin sa'yo, pero I love you, anak.
Alam mo ba na ang number 9 ay special number? If number 8 represents infinity, then number 9 is much better. It represents completion and eternity. It is full with the energy of both endings and new beginnings. And just like the number 9, we are now marking the completion of our relationship and the beginning of our forever.
Huwag niyong kakalimutan yung pagmamahal sa isa't isa at pagmamahal sa Diyos. Tandaan niyo, tapat ang Diyos sa inyo, sa Kanyang pangako sa inyo ng lahat ng biyaya. Kaya maging tapat din kayo sa Diyos at sa isa't isa.
Grabe, hindi ako makapaniwalang nandito tayo sa punto na makapagpabago sa buhay natin. Naalala ko pa noong unang beses kitang nakita, hindi man lang ako naakit sa'yo kasi mukha kang masungit at ayaw rin makipag-usap sa grupo namin nila. Minsan mo.
Under the starlight, we'll find our way, I know. This is the start of something beautiful. With you by my side, there's no place that we can't go.
I promise to be your true companion always. Ikaw ang pipiliin ko araw-araw. We've had lots of memories together and will continue to create more together. Alam ko hindi naman laging healthy ang married life, but I promise to brave through any storms with you, kahit signal number 5 tayo.
It captures everything I long to say. So don't look back, love, and don't you wait. Just say you'll run with me, come what may. Under the starlight, we'll find our way, I know.
Tatay, magpakatino ka lagi ah. Huwag masyadong pasaway kay nanay. Ha? Pag kailangan maghugas ng pinggan, tumulong ka. Pag kailangan Alinis na ano.
You by my side, there's no place that we can't go. 'Cause this is the start of something new. It's your love I know that gives me strength. Under the stars, we'll find our way, I know. This is the start of something beautiful. With you by my side, there's no place that we can go.
Promise ko sa'yo na hindi kita pababayaan at lagi kitang iingatan. Ikaw ang ligaya at inspirasyon ko. Kaya't mamahalin kita hanggang sa dulo na walang hanggan. Love ka.
Congratulations. Palakpakan natin